Let's cook Sunday dinner together. On the menu, we have some curry goat. I also did some pasta. Who don't want the rice and peas because we're a mixture of Jamaican Canadian around here. And I also did some gungo, rice and peas, and some salad, as you can see. So you don't know the Sunday dinner cooking routine. You have your meat seasoned from overnight, allow it to marinate, and then come Sunday morning, you start the pot. The pot start bubble up. Now, when you cook curry goat, you don't know, so you burn your curry, you do your thing, and then you put it in the pressure cooker. If you want to let your curry goats cook on the stove for 2 to 3 hours, then kudos to you. I like to do things quick around here. So I like to use my pressure cooker, do it in a pressure cooker, then take it out, then season it up again with some fresh seasoning and allow it to simmer down and cook down. Let me know how differently you do your curry goat. And if you want to see the full curry goat video, I might do that just for you. Let me know in the comments. Let's get this gungo rice and peas started. I took this the easier way by using the tin gungo peas. I know traditionally most Jamaicans prefer white rice with them curry goat. If that's you, let me know in the comment. But for me not really like the white rice thing. I like a little step up, a little different, because the white rice has come too barefoot to me. More like something, look more prep. So I did this tin gungo peas, season it up nicely, and then I add my rice. As usual, I'm using my jasmine rice. Then I started with the pasta. That's the type of pasta I'm using there. And as you know, I have a Canadian child and him refuse to eat the rice and peas most time. So, me cook like a pasta for him because usually sometimes I have something else in the fridge him can eat. But this time, nothing else wasn't in the fridge. And when I do this, then I have extra to take for lunch, or the kids can have lunch, or, So let me know how the food look. And thank you so much for sticking around again. I appreciate you.